Hi friends, welcome to Kids Prapancha. Let's love and play together. Hello superstars, can you give the honeymoon just by its shadow? Let's find out. Who's this with a big name and loud roar? Any guesses? Hey, it's a lion! Wow, look at that big trunk! Guess who? Yes, it's an elephant! This one jumps and swings on trees. Can you guess? Yes, it's a monkey! Strong legs, loud to run. Can we guess? Hey, it's a horse. This wild cat has bold strides and sneaks through trees. Guess who it is? Hey, it's a tiger. Quick and quiet, this one has antlers. Guess who it is? Hey, it's a deer, so graceful. Sneaky and smart with a fluffy tail. Guess who? Yes, it's a fox. Clever guess. This animal walks in the desert with a hump. Can you guess it? Yes, it's a camel, cool and calm. The fastest animal on land. Any idea who? Yes, it's a cheetah. Zoom zoom. Be strong and loves honey. Who is this? Yes, it's a deer. Great guessing, friends. How many animals did you find? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games. See you next time. Bye bye.